Hello, 大家好. Let's read The Giant Panda Party. Sunshine was grumpy. What's wrong, Sunshine? Asked Sweety. Everyone's forgotten about tomorrow, said Sunshine with a deep sigh. Sweety thought hard. Harder. Very hard. Ah, tomorrow's your birthday. See, grumbled Sunshine, even you forgot. It's going to be the worst birthday ever. No, it isn't, said Sweety. Cheer up. Something wonderful might happen. Sweety pondered. What could make Sunshine's birthday feel special? She puzzled as she chewed her bamboo and plotted as she lay in the sun, until finally, got it! She had a plan, and she was very pleased with herself. That evening, once the visitors and most of the keepers had left, Sweety went to the gate of her enclosure. She licked one long curved claw and poked it into the lock. She wiggled and wiggled and jiggled it until... click! The gate opened. Sweety waited for the night keeper to walk past. Then she puffed up the hill to visit the tiger. Good evening, Tiger, she said. Can you sing? I have a magnificent voice, said the tiger. Roar! He was so loud it made Sweety's head hurt. Remarkable, she said encouragingly. Would you help me give Sunshine a birthday surprise tomorrow? Listen, and she whispered in his ear. Sweety hurried along to the pygmy hippos. Good evening, dear, said Mother Hippo. It's nice of you to drop round. What can we do for you? Good evening to you too, replied Sweety. I was wondering whether you can sing. I've been told I'm rather good, said Father Hippo. Snort! Sweety was tempted to put her paws over her ears. How lovely, she said. Could you help me give Sunshine a birthday surprise tomorrow? Listen, and she whispered in the hippo's ears. Sweety's next visit was to the sun bears. Hello, she called. Is anyone awake? We're trying to get our beauty sleep, one bear complained. You already look beautiful, said Sweety, even though she secretly preferred black and white bears. Can you sing beautifully? Oh yes, the bears said, brightening up. They yawned, sticking out their long tongues. Then, grrr, grrr, growl! Shivers ran down Sweety's spine. Great, she said. Gorgeous. Could you help me give Sunshine a birthday surprise tomorrow? Listen, and she whispered in their ears. The Macaws told Sweety they were superb singers. Squawk! 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 Sensational, said Sweety, and she whispered plans to them too. The chimps were very excited to see Sweety. We love singing, they shouted. Woo! 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 They were very loud and almost in tune. Impressive, said Sweety. But you'll have to keep quiet about the birthday surprise plan. Can you keep quiet? Yes, they yelled at the tops of their voices. The python was also pleased with the plan. That's a splendid idea. Hiss! So super you asked me to help with your secret surprise. Sweety was delighted with her evening's work. She was sneaking back to her own enclosure when someone touched her tail. It was an eager black and white cat. "I'm not a zoo animal," he said. "I live next door. But I've been trying to tell you that my voice is very versatile." Meow! Sweety winced slightly. "Marvelous," she said. "Can I help with Sunshine's birthday surprise?" asked the cat. "Of course you can," Sweety beamed. She was whispering in his ear when... "Shh! Hide! Someone's coming!" The night keeper was puzzled. Why were all the animals so noisy tonight? She couldn't see what was disturbing them. When she had gone, Sweety and the cat crept home to their beds. Next morning, "Happy birthday!" Sweety called. She was very excited. "Thank you," said Sunshine gloomily. "At least you remembered. Not just me." Sweety cleared her throat and started to sing. "Happy birthday to you." At first, there was only her voice. Then, "Roar, roar, roar! Snort, 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 snort! Hiss, hiss, hiss! Squawk, 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 squawk! Woo, woo, woo! Woo, woo, woo! Woo, woo, woo! Woo, woo, woo! Grrr! Growl! Growl! Grrr! Meow! Meow! The keeper covered her ears. She was in danger of being deafened. "What's going on? What an awful racket," she said. But Sunshine thought it sounded wonderful. "Thank you, Sweety. This is the best birthday I've ever had." He was so thrilled. He did handstands and cartwheels and somersaults. "Happy birthday, dear Sunshine. Happy birthday to you." Let's learn some Chinese vocabulary. Giant panda / giant pandas. 大熊猫，大熊猫，大熊猫。What's wrong? 怎么了？怎么了？怎么了？ Cheer up. 振作起来，振作起来，振作起来。Good evening. 晚上好，晚上好，晚上好。Tiger / tigers. 老虎，老虎，老虎。Hippo / hippos. 河马，河马，河马。Bear / bears. 熊，熊，熊。Chimp / chimp. 黑猩猩，黑猩猩，黑猩猩。Python / python. 蟒蛇，蟒蛇，蟒蛇。Cat / cats. 猫，猫，猫。Someone's coming. 有人来了，有人来了，有人来了。What's going on? 发生什么事儿了？发生什么事儿了？发生什么事儿了？ Happy birthday. 生日快乐，生日快乐，生日快乐。Party / parties. 派对，派对。 派对 or 聚会 bamboo/bamboos 竹
生日快乐，派对，聚会，怎么了？振作起来，晚上好，有人来了，发生什么事儿了？熊、蟒蛇、猫、大熊猫、竹、黑猩猩、河马、老虎。